What is Polkadex? We'll soon find out in this video, and you are watching this on Polkadot Insider. In the crypto world, modern users have to settle for a compromise between centralized and decentralized exchanges. While centralized exchanges are fast and user-friendly, yet unsafe, decentralized exchange can ensure strong security but struggle with a challenging interface and high transaction costs. Polkadex is combining the best feature of both worlds into one cutting-edge technology. Polkadex is a non-custodial order book exchange built on Substrate. Polkadex enables users to trade tokens from different Polkadot's parachains and will soon add multi-chain support for Ethereum. It invests a huge amount of time and resources to ensure that users can have an easy and stress-free experience. Polkadex inherits the best features from centralized and decentralized exchange, as it offers the speed, functionality, user experience, and affordability of a centralized exchange, while also allowing users to maintain custody of their asset. Polkadex is a non-custodial peer-to-peer exchange, so users can hold assets in their wallet and directly trade with each other. How does that work? Polkadex uses the Substrate framework to run a custom-built order book palette with an off-chain trade execution engine on the Polkadex network, a distributed network of over 200 validators that also handles on-chain settlement. This infrastructure enables Polkadex Orderbook to be their core product. Presented as the CEXiest DEX in DeFi, Polkadex Orderbook merges the benefit of CEX and DEX to become the first non-custodial orderbook DEX. In other words, Polkadex Orderbook looks, performs, and feels just like a centralized exchange with a list of buy and sell orders, organized by price level, even though it's decentralized. Some of the best features that Polkadex Orderbook offers are the highest level of security of funds, as only the user has access, lightning fast transaction with a speed can go up to 500,000 transactions per sec, and zero gas fee and feeless swaps. Advanced trading features of Polkadex Orderbooks including high-frequency trading and trading bots to make sure there's enough liquidity and movement happening, option to purchase crypto for fiat on the platform, interoperability between blockchains, and cross-chain liquidity support. From the distance, Polkadex looks like a centralized exchange, but under the hood, it is a decentralized exchange combining the best really of both worlds. Polkadex does not store user funds. Instead, users have control of their funds in their wallet centralized. Enjoy the ultimate trading experience with Polkadex Orderbook. Another major tool is Thea. This is the Polkadex interoperability layer, which is designed to make deposits and withdrawals on Polkadex field. Just like in a centralized exchange, Thea is designed to add a decentralized bridging, support for networks like Ethereum and Polygon, which will gradually make Polkadex Orderbook as interoperable as existing centralized exchange. Polkapool is an AMM-based palette on Polkadex, which will allow users to auto-convert a small amount of their deposits of certain assets into PDEX, Polkadex native token, thereby making the deposit process seamless, even for users without a prior account. Trading on Polkadex is quite easy with a simple onboarding process by connecting your wallet and creating a trading account. The process does not include KYC requirements. While other DEX keeps iterating to resemble an order book, they do not achieve the price efficiency of user experience of a true order book. Polkadex, on the other hand, support a full order book, proving to be a DEX 2.0. Polkadex believes to be the next generation, the power of DeFi to set people all over the world free financially. Like and subscribe to Polkadot Insider.